For making the woodland zip tie knot, we take a rope and we divide it in half. We create a bight like this and we put the rope under this case. I use a towel like this and we put over here. As you can see, we have the two running hands under the towel coming out from it. We take the bight and we put over the towel like this. Then we take this bight and we bend it like this on the inside. As you can see, we have now the standing parts like this and two little loops. We can take the loops and put it like this, or we can also stay like this. Then we take the running hand of the right side of the rope and we put inside one and other loop like this. We take the left side of the rope, the running hand, and we put inside back in the two holes. Okay, and then we just pull and the knot is done. As you can see, now the towel is closed. As you can see, the ropes hold. For untie the knot, we have just to put some pressure on these two parts and put inside, and the knots come undone.